Hi kids. Previous class I taught A to K letter words and I shown with the pictures. Is it no children? Today class I will start from the L. Look at here, capital letter L and small letter L. You can practice these letters and even words also. L for lamp, L for ladder, L for leaf, L for lid. This is the lid. L for lock. Lamp. Where we are using lamp. So in our houses or in the bedrooms we are using a lamp. It gives the lightness when we are in the dark. Then ladder. Ladder is used to take anything from upper which things they have very high. So if you want to take that, we are using this ladder. Leaf. There are many different leaves are there in each and every plants. But almost all leaves they are in the green in color. Lid. Lid is used to cover any pots or bowls. We are using the lid. Lock. Lock is used for our doors or cupboards. So if you want to keep anything safely, we are using the lock. Next, M. Capital letter M and the small letter M. M for map, M for mirror, M for money, M for medicine, M for mat. MAP, map. Map is it's showing a land part and water part, everything in the map. So we can see this is the world map. We can see our India in this map. Like there are many types of the maps are there. Indian map, state map, uh, district maps. Like that even there are many places they shown and the railway stations. Many important places also they can shown in the map. Mirror we are using in our homes after bathing, after cleaning face. So we are using mirror and we can make a pink, right? Say the spelling of the mirror. MIRROR, mirror. Medicine. Medicine is used to when we are falling in sick. On that time the doctor give the prescription. So from that apart that we are using the medicine like pills, tablets, syrups. So what is the spelling of the medicine? MEDICINE, medicine. Money, MONEY, money. We are using this money to buy any things like a clothes or groceries or fruits, vegetables, whatever you want to buy from others or in the market. We need the must and should we need the money. Is it no children? If you want to buy one chocolate, you need 1 rupee. Otherwise, if they give anybody shoppers give freely, no right. We are taking the money to buy anything. Then mat. Mat is used near the doors or out of the door. Next, capital letter N and the small letter N. You can practice these letters and the words also. Neatly you can write in the notebook. Numbers. N for newspaper, N for nest, N for Nile, N for Nile, N for name. Numbers. See the numbers. You know the numbers from 1 to there are not only up to 100, not only up to 500, not only up to 1000. It's infinite. There is 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, like a million, billion. It's the infinite number. That much are their numbers. So just you are learning still up to 100, right? You can still go on practicing. Newspaper. Newspaper is we get all the newses from that paper, even state news, national Indian news or international news, that all matters what happening today or yesterday, that all newses we can read in the newspaper. Say the spelling of the newspaper: NEWSPAPER, newspaper. Numbers: NUMBERS, numbers. Nest: what is this nest? Birds build their nests. How, like we are building our homes, no? Like that, the birds also build their nest, but there is no roof on that building. Even they build their nest and they are living there and they're keeping eggs and they're taking care of their babies. Next, nest spelling: NEST, nest. Nile: NAIL, Nile. This, if you want to hang anything on the wall, we can use this Nile, and bit on the wall we can hang anything. Then name: this is actually name plate. Actually, name is, it's a mine, mine is, I will tell, my name is Rupa. Like you also, everybody have their names, is it no? Say your names. So that is your name. NAME, name. Next, O, capital letter and the small letter. O for owl, O for one, O for oar, O for onion, O for orange. Owl, OWL, owl. It is one of the bird. It lives on the tree. Do you know owl can sleep daytime and it waken in the night time? One is a number. In the numbers, the first one is 1. ONE1. Or is using, do you know the boat? B for boat, I had taught, no? Boat. So in that boat, it wants to sail on the water, means we using this oar. From this oar, we can moving the water, and that time the boat can move. Orange. O for orange. Even it is one of the fruit and even color also. Onion. Onion is using in the kitchen for the cooking purpose. I hope you all learn, children. Next, P. P for pillow, P for picture, P for pot, P for purse, P for pen. This is the capital letter P and the small letter P. Pillow. Where you are using pillow? On the bed. When you are going to sleep on the bed, you are using pillow, right? Picture is one of the wall picture. If any picture, say the spelling of the picture: PICTURE, picture. Purse, PURSE, purse. So almost all ladies and gents both also they are using purse, but this long purse using ladies, right, children? So what they are keeping in their purses? Almost all money. They are keeping money into the purse. Pot. For what purpose we are using pot? To keeping a plant in that. POT, pot. Pen, PEN, pen. For what purpose we are using pen? To write. Enough this today's class, children. Up to P. Next class I will teach Q or these. So you can learn these all spellings and you can write into the notebook neatly. Then you can practice. Okay, kids? Bye. Next class I will teach remain things.